Today, I'm embarking on a flavourful adventure through London's Borough Market, aiming to sample 5 diverse dishes without exceeding £25. From crispy chips, drenched in cream cheese and finished with truffle, to the possibility of tasting the renowned salt beef, whose origins trace back to the 17th century preservation methods that fueled transatlantic trade and sustained the British Empire. I'm ready to explore the world of flavours. First up, I'm diving into some fresh oysters. Will I also indulge in the famous salt beef? Join me as I navigate this culinary journey, savouring a variety of global cuisines that Borough Market has to offer.
Hi mate, can I just have one please?
One? What would you like? 6 different types. We've got more sweet, creamy, salty, piney, extra large or flavour.
I'll have an extra large. Where are these from?
These ones are from Ireland.
Ireland,
Yeah.
Cool. Is it like still seawater inside it?
Well, inside it, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like cash or card, sir?
Card please.
Cash, I'll give you extra oyster.
I've got no cash. I'll bring cash next time, I promise you. I'm going to put some of this, sorry, some of this red onion in because I'm literally going to swallow this. Now let's get some lemon juice in it. Oh, it's splurting everywhere. Let's get a fork. Probably going to need a serviette.
Tabasco on it.
Bit of Tabasco. For the start of the challenge, this is the first item I'm eating, and this is an oyster. And to be honest, have a closer look at that. That I'm just going to swallow basically, and I've really never tasted one of these before.
Looks spongy.
And there's a lot of seawater in that. Let's have a look.
Can you put some Tabasco sauce on it?
Yeah, there's some on it.
I'm about to savour a fresh Irish oyster, renowned for their rich zinc and omega-3 content. There's no scientific evidence linking oysters to increased libido.
Let's take some of the seawater off. Here we go.
Right, are you doing it all in one or what?
All in one.
Wait, let me see. Right, go for it.
Are you ready? Woo, baby! Can't do it. You can't do it.
Come on.
This is so difficult. Let me just make sure it's... I'm sure it's bloody moving.
Is it nice?
Oh wow, that is amazing. Wow, this like Tabasco's hitting the back of my throat, but that tastes delicious. And just a burst of taste that I enjoyed.
Borough Market is a culinary treasure trove, offering everything from fresh Scottish lobsters to global delicacies. While you can marvel at enormous octopuses and colossal monkfish, many stalls also serve ready-to-eat delights from around the world. Next up on our food journey is the classic sausage roll.
Wild boar sausage roll. I'm gonna buy one, yeah. Is that, you just have the wild boar one? Do you have any other flavours? Wild boar, Jesus, what? Can I have a wild boar one, please? Where's the boar from? Oh, same company. They'll probably have more different flavours though, won't they?
No, they don't make
They don't make them more. Oh no, I'd rather taste something different, yeah. Card please, if you don't mind. It tastes nice, this. Yeah, a tiny bit, yeah. Thank you so much. Wow, look at this sausage roll. This is a wild boar. And they've even put some brown sauce on it. This looks amazing. I don't really like brown sauce, but let me taste it. Oh, weird taste.
Is it warm or cold?
It's hot. Tastes quite gamey. The boar's really nice. Venison.
Venison wild boar oysters.
Well, there you go. Chelsea, because the two that's the kitchen. The other one has like pork and different flavours. But that's the only one that has this wild boar. But just look at that. How amazing is that?
Beautiful.
And it is so delicious as well.
Looks like it's piping hot.
Let me just go in for a big bite. That is a 10 out of 10.
With only £14.50 left of my £25 budget, my beloved fish and chips are officially off the table. The prices are too steep.
Are the chips turnips? Oh. Turnip chips are nice. Shall I just try it first?
When a vendor asks if you want truffle on top of your chips, make sure you ask for the price. I eagerly said yes, unaware that it would bring a total of £25.50. Even when I was eating them, I was assuming it was going to cost around £18. It wasn't until I got home I realised the actual price. That is pricey indulgence.
Fantastic. Thank you. Where are the potatoes from? Okay, no, that's perfect. That looks really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Unfortunately, these have broke the bank. These have broke the bank, unfortunately. I've got no money left because these were £18. I failed the challenge, but I'm having some good tasting food instead. So I've got triple cut chips, truffle on top, cheese sauce. This is curry sauce. And this is some type of tomato sauce. Right, let's get some with truffle on it and cheese.
Oh, you should dip it in that sauce, Russell.
Let's try the curry sauce. You can taste the truffle. I like a soft, watery cheese sauce. Curry sauce is really nice. And this like a ketchup dip. I'm not sure what it is, some type of spice. But that is amazing. The size of these chips.
We're heading to Bread Ahead, a Borough Market staple since 2013. Famous for fresh bread, pastries and their iconic donuts. They also serve irresistible sourdough pizza baked daily.
But we just bought these Breadhead donuts. Look at them. Could not resist them. Help yourself.
Right.
Take a big bite. Oh my gosh. How is it? Let me have a look at the donut.
Really tasty. And this is like sugar glass. It's
got custard.
Actually made from the Bread Ahead Bakery School right in front of you.
Look at that.
Look at that oozy magic.
That looks absolutely amazing.
Oh, look at that, how glossy it is. It's that nice, the church bells are ringing.
How much were these?
£4.50.
So these were £4.50 each. Can't do my maths, but we've gone well over, which you can't help doing it at the market. But I think it's quite reasonable. I've seen some donuts not as good as this in London for more money. This is excellent. That is a celebration of food. That is unreal. If you've got a sweet tooth, bread away. This is why you have the bells. Was celebrating the taste of the food. Where are we going to next? Let's have a look round the market. Let's see what they do. There's a few exotic foods here, but most of it's very tempting. There's paella, there's all types of fish and hot and cold food. So let's go and have a look around the market. I literally can't spend anything else. I've doubled my, I've nearly doubled what I'm supposed to spend. So yeah, let's try not to get tempted on anything else I buy. I'll try and keep my card in my pocket. Say your names.
No, so I'm Caroline Ayson.
And I'm Phil. Yes.
I'm Phil, fantastic. Why have you come here today? What are you here for?
My birthday weekend, so we're having a trip down from the northeast. So
wow.
Come down to get away from the kids and eat nice food.
Oh, that's nice. So you come to, I was going to say Smithfield Market, but that's in Manchester. So you come to Borough Market, so you're going to eat here later?
We're going to have some lunch after
Have
this.
some lunch.
Maybe
Go and get some cheese and then we're going to go and get some lunch.
Yeah, I think we'll go to the Black Pig.
Oh, I've seen it.
Yeah, it looks really good.
What is your worst food you've ever eaten It doesn't have to be on this market, it can be in London.
It is on this market.
It is in this
Yeah.
market.
It is in this market, wow.
My brother made me try something called brain cheese.
Not exactly telling you, eat me, eat me. You look at it and you're like, oh my god, what is that?
And it was this little...
Don't tell me it's
tiny-
brain.
No, it is
Oh.
cheese, but it looks like a little zombie brain, and it was about a 50p size piece. And they have them sort of like 5 years rotted, and like I think I tried the 1 year and the 2 year, and I couldn't get further
Really?
than that. I love the stinkiest cheeses ever,
Yeah.
but this was like eating vomit. That's the
Really?
only way. The
Was that
taste
bad?
was horrendous, and it stayed with me for the rest of the day.
Really?
We've done a lot of our judging from looking at people walk around, how
Yeah.
happy they are.
What a great
What
idea.
they've got in their hand. So we've just done a lot of...
I think that's my mistake. I should be doing that,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah, yeah.
How long are you in London for?
So we came yesterday. We're going home tomorrow. We're going for a nice meal tonight and then driving back home tomorrow.
Whereabouts in the country are you from?
Near Sunderland, pretty much.
Oh, right, Sunderland supporter?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Is that Stadium Alive?
Stadium Alive.
Yes,
Very same.
beautiful. Well, thank you for speaking to me, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you very much, mate.
Thank
Lovely
you.
meeting you.
Next up, I'm on my way to Mexican street food for the ultimate beef taco. My £25 challenge blown out the window, but I had to try this one. I'm heading to Tacos Padre, run by chef Nick Fitzgerald, who cooked at Boar in Mexico City, ranked 12th on the world's 50 best restaurants list, inspired by Mexico's vibrant street food and markets. Nick brought his version to Borough Market in 2019. I'm ordering the signature beef taco.
Fantastic, thanks very much. Right, I've ordered one beef taco, so this is where we're waiting for our taco. Thank you so much. Right, let's get into this taco. Right, we've got a taco, so let's get into this. Get some lime on it. Here we go, just have a look. That's so salty. That is the saltiest beef I've ever tasted. But that is really nice, but it's very, very salty. If you like things salty, this is perfect, this taco. But yeah, I think I'm not going to be buying anything else because I'm obviously shot my target. This is what happens when you come to a market and you're hungry. Right, okay, we're here at Borough Market and I've found these lovely two people. Can I have your names first, if you don't mind? Vanessa. Natalie. And what have you eaten today? I can see you've just finished eating.
So we had mac and pork.
Yes.
Nice. And you had
The mac and cheese. And
mac and
pork.
cheese,
Yes.
and you had the smashed burger.
Yes.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think about the prices? Expected, expensive, cheap?
No, for definitely for down there, it's actually quite cheap.
Quite cheap.
Yeah, I mean, we are in London. London is such an expensive city, so
Exactly.
we're expecting that the average price will be around 20-25 pounds.
Yeah, it's not
you
gonna
know,
be
for-
cheap.
Yeah.
Especially in the market. Where are you going today? What are you doing?
To the Shard.
Shard! To the top?
Yeah.
Yes.
Amazing.
So what happens is, what you can do, you can go around the side there to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Don't pay nothing.
Ah! What a good idea! Hey, that's for viewers. That's brilliant. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day, yeah? Take care. So as you can see, I'm not stuck to my target. I've been through all the food market. I've got to say, the chips and the truffle, oh my gosh, £25. I'm still seething from that. It did have curry sauce, which it was okay, and it had like cheese sauce, which is okay. A little bit expensive, but it did taste nice. Not £25 taste nice. Oyster was nice, so my challenge kind of didn't go the way I wanted it to go. Don't get overzealous and say, yeah, I'll have that extra, please.
What? Ask for more?
Doesn't work, but it's been a fantastic day here at the market, and I've enjoyed the foods I've eaten. Will I be back? Of course I'll be back. Borough Market. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this food review, want to see more, make sure you hit like, that notification bell, subscribe if you can. Yes, subscribe if you can. Anyway, I'm off. I've got my Starbucks and I've spent up, I've got no money left. As you can see, look at the target. It's terrible. Big failure. Anyway, I enjoyed the food that I had. I'll see you all again very soon.